Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter AP, exercise 5.2, question 14 and question 16. Question says, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? The multiples of 4 means the numbers that can be divided by 4. We have to find out there are how many numbers that can be divided by 4 between 10 and 250. So, the numbers from 10 between 10 and 250. So now the numbers will be 10, 11, 12, goes on like this. From the last we have got some numbers, say 249, 248, like this. This is the list of numbers. Among these numbers, we have to find out how many numbers are how many numbers can be divided by 4. So from the front, if we check and come, which is the first number that can be divided by 4 is 12. 12 can be divided by 4. The next number after 12 will be, if you add 4, we'll get that number. 16 is the next number. So from this side, 12 is the first number, 16 is the next number. From back, we should check which is that number that can be divided by 4. So that number is 248. 248 is the number that can be divided by 4 from the back. So now we can form our AP. The AP will be 12, 16, 20, and the last number in this AP will be 248. So we have got our AP. All these numbers in between, all these numbers are divisible by 4. They are the multiples of 4. Now we have to find out there are how many numbers in this AP. For that, what we have to do? We have to find the value of n for this term. 248 is the last term. So we have to find out the value of n for 248. Then we can find out there are how many numbers in this AP. So A, what is A? A is 12. What is D? D is 16 minus 12, that is 4. So now we have to take AN as 248. Now we have to find the value of n. So we'll put the formula, AN formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is 248. A is what? 12 plus n minus 1. D is 4. D is 4. So now 248 is equal to 12 plus 4 into n is 4n. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So 248 is equal to 12. Now we have to open the bracket. Plus into plus will be plus. So plus 4n. Plus into minus will be minus. So minus 4. So if you solve it, 248 will be equal to, you can see 12 minus 4 will be 8. So 8 plus 4n. I'll write the equation in this form. 8 plus 4n will be equal to 248. I'll transpose 8 to the right side. So 4n will be equal to 248 minus 8. So 4n will be equal to 240. Now I will divide left side and right side by 4. So 4n divided by 4 will be equal to 240 divided by 4. So the 4 will get cancelled there. So we get n will be equal to 240 divided by 4 will be 60. Is equal to 60. So now we have found the value of n to be 60 for 248. That means 248 is the 60th term of the AP. 248 is the 60th term. Therefore, there are 60 terms in this AP. So, there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Therefore, there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 240. 250. 10 and 250. The 15th sum. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal? For what value of n are the nth terms of the two APs equal? We have been given two APs. The first one is 63, 65, 67 and the second one is 3, 10, 17. They are asking the nth terms of these two APs will be equal for what value of n? So first we will find the nth terms of both the APs. Then we will equate them and solve for n. So the first AP 63, 65, 67. So what is A? A is equal to 63. D is equal to 65 minus 63. 2. D is 2. Now we will find the nth term. So we know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. So AN will be equal to A is what? 63 plus N minus 1 into D is 2. So we will get 63 plus 2 into N is 2N minus 2 ones are 2, that's equal to 63 plus into my plus into plus is plus 2N plus into minus is minus 2. So if we solve it, we will get 63, 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2N. So the nth term of the first AP is 61 plus 2N. This is the nth term of the first AP. Now we will find the nth term of the second AP. Second AP is 3, 10, 17. 3, 10, 17. So A is what? A is 3. D is equal to 10 minus 3. It is 7. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN A is 3 plus 7 minus 1, N minus 1. N minus 1 into D. D is 7. So 3 plus 7 into N is 7N. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. That's equal to 3 plus into plus is plus into minus is minus, equal to, we will get minus 4 plus 7N. This is the nth term of the second AP. So now we have found the nth terms of the two APs. Now we have to find out for which value of N the both will be equal. So what we will do, we will equate the two nth terms and we will solve for N. So now equating the nth terms of both the APs. So the nth term of the first AP was 61 plus 2N, and the nth term of the second AP was minus 4 plus 7N. Now if you solve this equation, we'll get the value of N. So now I'll transpose 61 to the right side and 7 into the left side. So 2n minus 7n will be equal to minus 4 minus 61. We'll get minus 5n will be equal to minus 65. So I'll divide left side and right side with minus 5. So minus 5n divided by minus 5 will be equal to minus 65 divided by minus 5. So minus 5 will get cancelled there. So n will be equal to, here also minus will get cancelled. 5 can divide it, we'll get 13. So value of n is 13. So when n is 13, the APs, the nth terms of both the APs will be equal. Therefore, the required value of n is 13. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.